let's come to one point which has hit me also and curious is the cost of running this. So we're using OpenAI APIs, and we were very experimental. So I think we definitely would have burnt some dollars in doing that experimentations. But still, beyond that, uh, this technology appears to be expensive as of now. And secondly, if we go for say open source models, then how do we? It's so evolving so fast that getting a track of that. If I have to build a working, because in the end it needs to be a working application, somebody will pay the bill, right? So how is it helping, and how does the cost part looks for you? I mean, how has been your experience around that? Have you been optimizing, minimizing? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point. So, yeah, it is an expensive affair, but there are also always that slightly inexpensive option. For example,
Okay.
if you are using ChatGPT 4 costs $20 a month for their user interface, but ChatGPT 3.5 is free for all if you have an account with them. Similarly, with the APIs, if you're using the GPT-4 APIs, they're way more expensive than the 3.5 or
3.5.
others.
Right.
Similarly, when you want to use, let's say, open source or on-premise, when you want to deploy it on-premise, you may want to piggyback on these models which have a longer time span. So things
Mm.
coming out, say, from Meta, let's say Llama 2 or Llama Code, are good, models to bet on because there is a significant force behind it.
Right.
Instead, if you go to or say if you want to quickly experiment with these models, Hugging Face is a good place to start because they
Right.
have all these models hosted. You can
Got it.
interact with them in real time. You can get these
Mm-hmm.
answers. There are also models created by startups such as Mistral, which are again good bets because they're
Mm.
putting significant time, energy, effort, resources behind it. There
Mm.
are universities which come up with models, say Falcon, Eagle,
Mm.
etc.,
Mm. Mm.
which are currently the top of leaderboards, which may again be good models to look at if you want to be at the forefront of technology. But
Got it.
for enterprises, that's not always the goal. You need to solve a problem. You don't need to, be the newest and the best and the most shiny thing out there.